You gotta know who you're talking to. It's Business 101, but so many people miss this. Your customer avatar is your secret weapon. It's a detailed profile of your ideal customer, not just their age and income, but their dreams, their fears, what keeps them up at night. Why is this so crucial in 2024? Competition is insane. Attention spans are shorter than ever. You can't afford to waste time and money marketing to everyone. You need laser focus. That's what a customer avatar gives you. Think of it like this. Would you rather throw a huge party and hope the right people show up? Or would you rather send personalized invitations to those who are actually interested? The customer avatar is your guest list for success. Bottom line, no avatar, no clarity, no conversions. Let's get real. Not having a clear customer avatar is like shooting arrows in the dark. You might hit something, but it's probably not your target. Here's the fallout: wasted marketing dollars. You're pouring money into campaigns that don't resonate. Your messaging is all over the place. Sound familiar? Weak branding? You haven't nailed down your unique voice because you don't know who you're talking to. Your brand blends in with the noise. Missed opportunities? You're leaving money on the table by not understanding what your ideal customer truly wants. This isn't about guessing. It's about data and empathy. Get in your customer's head, figure out their pain points, then offer them solutions they can't resist. Ready to build your avatar? Let's break it down. Demographics. This is the basic stuff. Age, gender, location, occupation, income. Get specific. Psychographics. This is where it gets juicy. What are their values, their interests? What are they passionate about? Pain points. What are their biggest challenges? What keeps them up at night? Goals. What do they want to achieve? What are their aspirations? Don't just guess. Use data. Analyze your existing customer base. Conduct surveys. Stalk them nicely on social media. For example, let's say you're a fitness coach. Your ideal customer might be a working mom in her late 30s, stressed about her health and lacking time for herself. She wants to lose weight, feel more confident, and have more energy to keep up with her kids. Section 4, Real-World Wins. How defining your customer drives results. Let's see this in action. Imagine a sustainable fashion brand struggling to stand out. They surveyed their customers and discovered their target audience wasn't just eco-conscious, they were also passionate about ethical production and supporting local artisans. This changed the game. They revamped their marketing to highlight these values, showcasing the stories behind their clothing. Sales skyrocketed. Another example? A software company realized their ideal customer wasn't the CEO, but the frustrated project manager drowning in spreadsheets. They shifted their marketing to focus on solving the project manager's pain points, leading to a surge in demos and conversions. The lesson? When you know your customer inside and out, you can tailor your message, your products, your entire brand experience to resonate deeply. That's how you win in 2024. Section 5. Level up your business. The power of a crystal-clear customer avatar. Having a well-defined customer avatar is like having a cheat code for business success. Here's how it levels you up. Laser-focused marketing. You can target your ideal customer with precision, resulting in higher conversions and a better ROI. Stronger brand identity. You can craft a brand message that truly resonates, attracting loyal customers who connect with your values. Improved product development. You can create products and services that solve your customers' pain points and fulfill their needs. Remember, your customer avatar isn't static. It should evolve as your business grows and the market changes. Stay curious, keep listening to your audience, and adjust your avatar as needed. The bottom line? Investing time and effort in creating a detailed customer avatar is crucial for any business that wants to thrive in today's competitive landscape. It's not just about selling, it's about building meaningful connections and providing real value to the right people.